Well, GVS started manufacturing respirators in 2013 in the UK. It's the year I joined the project. And then we created the safety division within GVS. The vision was to enter a market relatively monopolistic at the time that was requesting alternative products and technologies. The focus that we dedicated on the product is what made a difference, using technology to make products unique in order to solve customer problems. For instance, our first product was a mask for welders needing a compact respiratory protection to fit under the welding hood. The other main factor was the value we added to the distribution channels, generating new customer demand and increasing distributor margin, challenging our historical competitors. We listened to the customer, understanding what their problems are and how best respond to it was the core that creates the base of a solid business. All our products are designed and made light and compact to be less intrusive as possible in the workplace. This can help responding to the main challenge faced in the workplace, which is to convince workers to wear and use the respirator they are given. During the pandemic, respirators became famous and technical awareness increased from the public, but also from the professional sector, which was a major lift to our business. But soon enough, the market went clogged with substandard products. We then anticipated the market demand by adding powered air respirator and supplied air product lines to our portfolio. And we have managed to maintain our overall growth rate and improve our market position with this strategy. We were fortunate to always been able to rely on local GVS companies, supported by other divisions, for stocking and servicing customers locally, from which is now 19 countries all around the globe. As well as this, we are now manufacturing safety products in 6 of those countries. Like in our society today, it's essential to respond responsibly to make products that limit the carbon footprint, or even better. So we started last year by removing plastic from all our packaging and by using recycled paper to print our marketing material. But it's obvious that the need is there and that it has to be integrated in all the research and development phase. A good example is what we did on our new generation of gas filters. First, we had to build how to measure the performance we believe was what the customer wanted. Then we started to test until we found the right balance between the various design, the various materials, so we could optimize the performance. This filter is now patent pending as we speak. The point is to know where your product stands by measuring and target where you want to be. To me personally, is the first one we launched is the Ellipse Half Mask. It has created its own market, as a competitor once told me. Those 3 words would be focus, resilience, and creativity. The key is the link between the sales team and research and development. That is translating the voice of the customer into products that can win. The division has a solid base and a great pipeline of new products, currently in research and development phase. That should complete the portfolio. Not to forget that most of the products are far to be at their cycle peak or have just been launched, like the full face mask. Market-wise and geographically, we have smaller market shares in Asia, and we are launching dedicated products in the coming weeks to increase the speed of the expansion there. There are decisive opportunities there in Asia. To release new products in the market, it is always the toughest part, especially when you have a wide pipeline coming to birth at the same time.